Whenever I think about picking up a donut, or whenever I think about eating bad food, or should I eat this good food versus not, or should I exercise or versus not, or should I take my supplements or not, the first thing that comes to my mind is long term. How is this going to affect me long term? How is this decision going to affect me long term? That's where you have to get to. Okay. Once you get to that, once you look at the long term, just your long term vision of where you want to be and hold that in your brain, that's what you have to replace in that reactive part of your brain. What is the long term vision? I see myself long term not doing this. I see myself with arthritis of the back, not being able to bend over, not being able to throw the ball around with my daughter, not being, maybe being wheelchair. I have severe spinal stenosis and degenerative disc and a fracture. Okay. You would never know it.